Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you the Royalton Chic in Cancun in the hotel zone. And this is a Diamond Club King oceanfront. So follow me and I'll show you what's included. Here we have dual sinks. His and her sinks, however you like to refer to that. This is my favorite part, obviously. You're all saying that you want to come and sit down and get the sand off of you. Nice rainfall shower head. Much like the last Royalton, I say that, but this one is very special and I'm gonna show you why. Your bathroom is actually separate. And if you need to make calls, there's a phone for you to call downstairs. I really dig the artwork. It's pretty unique. Over here, we have a full closet, 2 robes, extra pillows, and the safe is gonna be on the right-hand side of this. Here's your safe. Iron, fully stocked. All right, so here we have the sitting area. Look at this. The life, right? Follow me, follow me. This is really cool. This separates, and this is also a pull-out sofa. Here you have a king-size dream bed, is what they like to call it. Very comfortable. Nice ceiling fan. USB ports, alarm clock, this new digital thermostat. Your TV is going to have your name on it. Fully stocked bar, complimentary coffee, and you can also utilize the TV to order room service, check out the activities. It's pretty interactive. Maybe I'll show you that in a different tutorial. Nice to sit down here at the end of the bed, you know, to get ready or whatever you have you. And the best of all is this very large balcony that I'm about to show you. And again, this is the Diamond Club. This is the oceanfront. And here we are. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. And for all your booking, R.G.T Adventures. Thank you so much.